Hey guys, Scott Baxter, Barbecue and Bolts. I have a 2007 Lexus IS250. I got a junkyard door on here. We had just a small accident. I got it for 200 bucks and it has this pinstripe. So I went all through YouTube, everybody's channel, and these are all the methods that everybody said is gonna work on the pinstripe. So we're gonna try them all out and we're gonna show you how it goes. Here we go. All right, first thing you gotta do is figure out, is it a decal? Is it painted on? This looks like it's a decal, but I don't think it is. But we're gonna try the decal method first. All right, this is a rubber 3M wheel. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put the link below. And we're gonna try to now that would come right off if that was a decal. And that is not coming off, so that's painted on. So this is not gonna work. All right, the next one is paint thinner. Paint thinner seems to work for everybody on YouTube. Oh, just look at it come off there. Just kidding, it's not working. I'm rubbing hard, rubbing hard. Nope, paint thinner, 0. I don't want to ruin the finish on the car, so I'm gonna a little soapy water on there in between. All right, next is acetone. Acetone, I've seen some videos on this one. Guy's like, it won't destroy your varnish, just takes it right off. Okay, here we go, acetone. I don't know, man, that does not look like any of the YouTube videos I'm seeing. None of them. Nothing's working. All right, last but not least is our Easy Off oven cleaner. This is an unconventional way, for sure. It says, do not spray on pilot light, electrical connections, switches, light bulbs, heating elements, thermostats. You know, it doesn't say anything about not spraying this on your car, so let's give it a shot. I think I'll spray it on here. All right, Easy Off. Another fail. None of these work. All right, that was a complete fail. We tried everything. We tried the wheel, we tried paint thinner, we tried acetone, we tried oven cleaner. The only thing left to do is we have to spray the door to match, and they have to spray kind of the whole side to match because it's a glitter in here. And my $200 door is not really gonna work this time. It could. It's gonna bring down the value of the car, that's for sure. I can look for another door, gray door, but remember there's lots of different gray doors. It's not just one paint per year. Sometimes they have like 10 paints per year. So good luck. It failed for me. Hopefully it works for you. Hopefully you found this informative. Click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.